Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can stop Spotify playing suggested songs auto playing on Spotify. So what you want to do is this: go to right top corner and then click here on settings. When you're gonna do it, you're gonna be in settings of your profile and just scroll down below, and here you're gonna see auto play similar songs when your music ends, and disable it. And this is how you can simply do it. So autoplay disable. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down on comments. And yep, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.